Hi, I'm Chris Barrow from Biamp. I'm the product manager, and I'm here to tell you about the community LVH-900. The LVH-900 is a beam-forming venue horn. This is our answer for the most difficult large venue applications where you need very high output, low distortion, great pattern control, and maintain it with very flat frequency response. The LVH-900, we call it a beam-forming venue horn because we're able to adapt the vertical coverage from 20 degrees to 40 degrees to 60 degrees in the vertical. And in addition to that, we have a configuration for two of these to gain an additional 5 dB of output. So with one cabinet, we have 136 dB of output. A two cabinet array, we have up to 141 to 142 dB of output. And that's only coming from two SKUs. We have the LVH-900, which is a 60 degree fixed horizontal pattern, and the LVH-900, which is a 90 degree fixed horizontal pattern. So we've made one of the highest output, flattest frequency response, lowest distortion systems that are available now. In addition to that, because we have such great control over the vertical pattern, we can array these point sources into a larger array. We can do a 2, 3, 4 cabinet array. In addition to that, we have the install brackets, the splay brackets that are from the factory to allow you to create pre-configured arrays with different splays at the back, splays at the front, including a grid to raise the whole thing up and down so it installs just as easily as any line array. But you get the advantages of the point source clarity and intelligibility. And beyond that, we made it easy to design with. Most point source systems, you have to bring in each pattern into an ISE model one at a time and try them out. With the LVH-900, all of the patterns and splay brackets and grids are all available in one GLL file, allowing you to very quickly try out different patterns in ISE Focus the same way you would do with a line array, and make a very quick decision about what will and won't work, which vertical pattern, which splays, and then transfer that into a larger ISE model to finish off and refine your design. For more information, you can visit us at biamp.com.